So the positive point of Envision is that it's focused on people. Usually research is focused on to build a center of research. And here in Spain we have a lot of centers. What we need is that these centers are working together. And one of the positive points of Envision is that we are achieving that these people, these key leaders are working together, and they are working really now. So something is going to happen, and we are going to be part of this new creation. We are going to create something that is going to be new in the medical practice, in the engineering side, and we are going to make something different and good for the world. I think the most important part is that we are connecting Madrid with Boston, but also Madrid with Madrid and Boston with Boston. So we are multiplying by 4 the effort. So we are not just connecting 2 cities, we are connecting the 2 cities themselves. There are people in our groups that they didn't know each other before. So the creation of these networks is so important for research and for create new ideas and new products and new services that generally in the regular projects this is not taken into account, and this is the greatness of Envision.